Hi, and welcome to Leine Linde's how-to video series. Today I will show you how to make a preset using standard Telegram 84 in Siemens TIA portal. A basic setup is required before this step. Please check the link in the corner for a video on how to do that. Click on the encoder. Go to Device View, Parameter Access Point, Properties, Module Parameters. Make sure Class 4 functionality is enabled. To activate the preset function, this must be enabled in order to perform a preset. Please note the input and output addresses used for standard Telegram 84. For convenience, create a tag table. PLC tags, default tag table, create relevant input and output tags. For this example, we follow the structure of standard Telegram 84. Go to Watch Table. Add your tags to the Watch Table. Here you can change the display format according to your preference. Go to Network View, compile, download to device, go online, open Watch Table, click on Monitor All. Now you can see the position value G1 XIST3. Please note that G1 XIST3 is a 64-bit value, so therefore I have divided the position value into two double words. The control by PLC bit must be set in order to make the control word data valid. To change the position value G1 XIST3 to 0, set the relevant bit to perform the position change. Now the position value has been changed. Thank you for watching.